Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will see road wireless go to buzzing noise. What to do? So, without wasting your time, let's get started. So, the step one is to check for your connections. So, first ensure your all connections are secure. So, a loose connection and cables can introduce noise. Okay. So, if you are using any external mic, so you can simply try switching to a different cable or you can switch the mic. Okay. So that can resolve the buzzing noise. Step 2, distance from interfering sources. Okay, so buzzing can be caused by RF interference from nearby electronic device. So here is what you can do. You can simply increase the distance. You can move the receiver further away from your camera and other electronic devices. A distance of at least 4 feet can help reduce interfering significantly. So another method is test in different environments. So try using a system in an open area away from building and electronic devices to see if the buzzing persists. This can help identifying if the issue is location based. Okay. Step 3, disable the Wi-Fi on your camera. Okay, so if you are using a camera, try disabling the Wi-Fi capability, such as Panasonic Lumix G7. Okay, so try disabling the Wi-Fi functionality. This can often eliminate buzzing caused by interference from the camera wireless feature. Okay, so and the last one is a use a noise filter. So if the buzzing present, consider using a ground loop isolator or a noise filter. This one is a wind muff. Okay, this device can help eliminate unwanted noise from your audio signals because some users can remove the wind muffs because they said it's not looking good. Okay, but you will see under it here is a rubber pad that can reduce the buzz and sound, okay, from entering into your microphone. So you can simple always use it. Okay, this is very useful. So, and that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorial. Goodbye.